Hello everybody, welcome to this hopefully short presentation demo of LearnFullScribe. LearnFullScribe is a automated transcript tool for your faculty. It's powered by IBM Watson's speech-to-text machine learning library. It's available to you open source, has a very simple deployment. You can get it at the URL here. I'll add that to the video. Before jumping into the demo, let's talk real quick about the features that you're going to see here. You can provide using Scribe, you can provide your faculty with their own account so they can manage their transcripts using their account. Transcripts can be exported as a web VTT, which makes it perfect for your web video players. We're using the IBM Watson speech-to-text library, which is arguably the world's most powerful library. It's very affordable. It's fairly accurate way to get automated captions for your videos or your audio. It's available in multiple languages, so we can transcribe audio, French audio, German audio, Dutch audio, Italian, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, Portuguese, and also French-Canadian audio for my Canadian friends. It has a very simple installation. You should be able to get it up and running within a couple of minutes. It's as easy as to install as WordPress is what I'll say in terms of installation. And as you'll see in the demo, we have a read-along kind of highlighting as the audio plays. Parts of the transcript are highlighted so you can edit those parts more efficiently. So without any other delay, let's get into a demo here. So here I'm logged in as instructor B. I can see the audio transcripts that have been created. I can create my own transcripts. Let's just go and take a look at an example here. So when we're looking at an audio transcript, we can see the audio player. We can see the transcript to the right. If we hit the play button here, the audio will start and we should start to get our playback of our transcript.
Hello and welcome to O Worm. Today we'll be looking at the anatomy of a crayfish. Crayfish are part of a group of animals called arthropods. Millions of years ago, arthropods evolved to have jointed appendages. This was colloquially referred to as a pro-gamer move.
If as you go through your audio and you spot a issue with one of the text, the transcript, you can just click where you want to make the changes and start making your changes. You'll also notice that we have some preview options to the left here. We can turn off the loop indexes. Each of these blocks of text with a time code and with a number. The number here is referred to as a loop index. If we turn off the loop index, we'll hide the number. This will be a little bit more condensed. We can also turn off the timestamps, and we can also get rid of the line breaks to make this a little bit easier to follow,
as it allows the animal to have much greater flexibility and range of movement. In fact, those arthropods must be doing something right.
Even from here, you can make changes. You can use the scrubber to visually scrub through the transcript. You can make your changes as you go. And excuse me. And once you're happy with
Hello, and
where
welcome to
the transcript is, you can just hit the download VTT button, which will download a VTT file for you. And you'll notice that this file is properly modified, or properly formatted, I should say, to be ready to be used as a caption for your web videos or your podcasts or wherever you're going to use this VTT file. And of course, because this is a text file, you can just make edits here too if you would like. Let's take a look at a process of creating a new recording, or transcript I should say. We'll just hit the add content button. We'll give this a title. We'll upload our audio file. I have a shortened audio file here for the purpose of this demo. We'll select the language. You'll notice the different languages that we have here available to us, and this refers to the speech language. It's not going to translate on the fly from one language to another. We're just specifying which language it should try to recognize. And so that's all we have to do. And once we hit save here, this audio file will stream to the IBM Watson cloud service, which will essentially begin to analyze it against the chosen model, language model here, and will generate for us a transcript, a text transcript of that audio file. And what we should get at the end is a audio file, as a text transcript that isn't perfect. It isn't 100% perfect all the time. There's more than a few issues, but it gets us most of the way. So let's take a look at this audio file. If we just hit play.
In the context of multi-criteria evaluation or multi-criterion decision analysis or multi-criterion decision making, our objective is a single objective. We are concerned with where are the areas that are suitable for kudzu.
And just like before, we can make edits or where applicable. We can view this in multiple different ways.
Right here. So that's our overall objective. And we'll look at 3 models.
And once we're happy with our transcript, we can just download the VTT. And now this VTT is available for us to upload, into our H5P video, into our podcast playback system, into our LMSs, wherever our video or audio is located. So anyway, that is Scribe in a nutshell. If it's something that you're interested in, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can go to the URL, and I'll add it into this corner again. If you hit the download button, you'll notice that it's just a Composer file here. So if you were to throw this at one of your developers, they'd be able to install this pretty simply. Of course, if you have any questions, you want to get in touch about this project, feel free to shoot me an email. Thanks for your time.